Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to fix Android camera lagging or not working problem. So whenever you try to open your camera app, you're facing the camera app not opening or not working or lagging or slowing down. Here's how you can easily fix any kind of camera issues on your Android phone. First of all, hard press on your camera app and just tap on this info button to open camera app settings. Here, first of all, you have to open permissions, and if you see this camera permission inside of not allowed, then just tap on camera and select allow only while using the app, and then tap on set as default. And here you have to enable this option, open supported links. Go back from here and now tap on mobile data, and here enable allow background data usage. Go back from here and tap on battery, and here if you selected restricted, then you have to select unrestricted or optimized. Go back from here and now tap on storage and tap on clear data and tap on delete, and also make sure to clear cache. Go back from here and tap on appear on top and enable allow permission. Go back from here and change system settings. Here enable allow permission. After changing all of these settings, give a simple restart. Once you successfully restarted your phone, now go ahead and relaunch your camera app, and you will see your camera is now working perfectly. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.